Good morning everyone, I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Binny Bansal quits Flipkart board, citing tussle with his new B2B startup. Google gives more details about the Pixel 8 Pro thermometer feature, iOS 18 to unveil two game-changing upgrades, Huawei's P70 Art unveils impressive triple camera system for imaging excellence, Apple releases new stolen device protection, GTA 6 second trailer predicted to be very different to the first, Z pulls out of $1.4 billion ICC TV rights deal with Disney and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Binny Bansal, co-founder of Flipkart, has resigned from the board of the e-commerce giant due to a conflict of interest with his new B2B startup Opdoor. Opdoor, based in Singapore, operates in the B2B segment of e-commerce, assisting companies with geographical expansion and providing competitive intelligence, advertising strategies, and enhanced catalogs. As part of his resignation, Bansal also sold his remaining stake in Flipkart to Walmart. Walmart acquired majority stake in Flipkart for about $18 billion in 2018. Bansal's resignation marks the end of all ties with Flipkart. Google introduces a practical upgrade in the latest feature update for the Pixel 8 Pro, a smart thermometer. The infrared sensor, originally designed for measuring object temperature, now allows users to measure body temperature without contact. Located near the rear camera, the thermometer works by swiping the phone across the forehead, providing accurate readings with a range of 36.1 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and clinical grade accuracy of 0.3 degrees Celsius. The Pixel 8 Pro includes features like LDAF, laser autofocus, tactile feedback, and voice command to enhance user experience. Google underwent a strict FDA de novo classification process, ensuring the thermometer meets medical device standards for accuracy, safety, and ease of use. The upcoming iOS 18 from Apple is expected to bring two game-changing upgrades as revealed by Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman. The first major enhancement is the integration of Rich Communication Services RCS message support into the iPhone Messages app. This move aims to improve cross-platform messaging with Android devices, offering features like higher resolution media, real-time typing alerts, and enhanced group chat functionality. The second significant upgrade involves the incorporation of generative AI technology into Siri, enhancing its ability to answer questions and automate tasks within various apps. Overall, iOS 18 promises a more versatile, secure, and intelligent user experience for iPhone users. Huawei's upcoming P70 series, particularly the P70 Art variant, is set to impress with a triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel lenses and innovative technologies. The main camera boasts a 1-inch Sony IMX 989 sensor with variable aperture, marking Huawei's largest sensor in a flagship device. The P70 Art will also feature the OmniVision OV50H physically variable aperture powered by the Kirin 9000 series 5G mobile platform. The series signals Huawei's return to Kirin 5G. With groundbreaking camera capabilities and robust performance, Huawei aims to redefine innovation in the competitive flagship smartphone market. Apple has introduced a new security feature called Stolen Device Protection in its latest iOS 17.3 update. This feature adds extra security measures to prevent thieves from wiping phone for resale or gaining access to important accounts. Stolen Device Protection track a user's familiar location, adding biometric security for certain actions away from those places. If a thief attempts to erase or reset an iPhone, Face ID or Touch ID is required for confirmation. The feature also introduces delays for certain security-related action in unfamiliar location to thwart unauthorized changes. Users can enable stolen device protection in the settings after updating to iOS 17.3. Fans eagerly anticipate the second trailer for GTA 6, speculating on the content it might reveal. With the game's release set for 2025, fans are dissecting every detail from the first trailer, which showcased the expansive open world and introduced protagonists Lucia and Jason. Speculation suggests the second trailer could focus more on Jason's character, providing a shift in tone from the first one. Some fans hope for glimpses of Vice City, wild inhabitants, and actual gameplay including car chases and combat. The ultimate wish is for a confirmed release date, offering clarity clarity on the wait ahead for this highly anticipated game. Zee Entertainment Enterprises is reportedly facing potential legal action from Disney Star after backing out of a $1.4 billion sub-licensing agreement for TV broadcast right of international cricket matches in India. Zee Entertainment informed Disney Star that it would not honor the deal for the International Cricket Council's TV right from 2024 to 2027. If the rescinded agreement contained an arbitration clause, Disney Star may resort to arbitration proceeding for dispute resolution. If not, Disney could initiate legal proceeding to sue Zee for damages. The move comes amid the collapse of Zee Entertainment merger deal with Sony. This is Arshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.